Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I came to you one more important topic from the probability. So already we discussed that from the previous videos. So from the probability, that is tossing a coin and dice are rolled and playing cards. So they are very important topics from the probability for any competitive examinations. And one more important topic from the probability is the selecting the balls from a bag. Okay, yes, that is also one of the very important topic. Of course, generally we may get some basic questions selecting the balls. Okay, so let me explain this one. So a bag contains this is 5 red color balls and 4 black color balls. Okay, right. So anyway, totally 9 balls are there from that. 9 balls are there from the bag. Generally, we will get the questions are like this. What is the probability of that? Okay, of those, a ball is selected. A ball is drawn randomly. Yes, the question is what is the probability of that? The selected ball. The selected ball is black. Generally, we may get the questions are like this. Basic questions. Yeah. Suppose, what are the total chances are there from that bag to select one ball? So from a bag already 9 balls are there. From the 9 balls you can select to any one ball. There are 9 chances selecting. That's why combination 9C1. Okay, that's yes. On those they are asking about the selected ball is the black ball. So when you are going to get that black ball, if you are going to select that one ball is from the black, then automatically you will get the black ball. So how many blacks are there actually? 4 blacks are there. From the 4 blacks you can select any one black. I mean favorable chances are. That's it. This is 4 by 9. Okay, what is the probability of getting the selected ball is the red ball? So how many red ball chances are there? 5 chances are there. So that is 5C1 by total chances are 9C1. Like this we will get this one. Generally, of course, suppose 2 balls are drawn. Yes, now 2 balls are drawn from the bag. What is the probability of that? The 2 selected balls are both are red balls. Both are red balls. What is the probability of that? Yes. So what are the total chances to select the 2 balls from the bag which contains 9 balls totally? So from the 9 balls select any 2 balls, right? You can select in these 2 ways, 9C2. Yes, of those, then what is the question? Probability of both are reds. Both are reds. So okay, already we have 5 reds are there. From the 5 reds you can select any 2. So 5C2. 5C2 by 10C2. Okay, like this we will get this one. Okay, we will get the calculation 5C2. So which is 10. Okay, so which is 36. Like this we will get the problem. Okay, these are all the just basic questions. Then we will enter into the next level problems. Of course, that is based on Bayes theorem. Okay, and conditional probability multiplication theorem. Okay, yes, we will enter to the next level. Students, okay, let us see some questions. A box contains 40 balls. A box contains 40 balls. Of those 40, 10 are white balls. Okay, 10 are white balls and 16 are red color balls and remaining are black color balls. Okay, so out of those 40, how many are? 10 whites and 16 red. 10 plus 16. So 26 are there total balls, either white or red, and remaining are, remaining 14 are black color balls. Okay, then they ask the question is, what is the probability of that? A ball is drawn from that which is not black, which is not black. Okay, not? Yes. So total how many balls are there? 40 balls are there. From those 40 you are going to select any one ball. Okay, it is very clear. Of those, the question is the which is not black. So there is no need of taking the black ball. So it may be white ball or it may be red ball. Am I right or not? So of those, any one of those color, right? So clearly they didn't mention about this white or red. There may be anything. Okay, that's why can I write like this? 26 chances. Why? Because which is not black, that means it may be white or it may be red. 10 plus 16, there are 26 chances are there to get the ball which is not in black, right? Yeah, very simple thing. Similarly, one more problem. A box contains 7 green balls, 5 yellow color balls. Totally there are 12 balls are there. 7 greens and 5 yellows. Of those, 2 balls are drawn. 2 balls are drawn. Then the question is, what is the probability of that both are in same color? Both are in same color. Which color? They didn't mention particularly. Which color? Okay, first of all, total chances are 12C2. Of those 12 balls, you can select any 2 balls. Okay, then the question is, the selected 2 balls are both are in same color. They may be greens or they may be yellows. Okay, suppose if they are greens, so 7C2, right? And from the 7 greens you can select any 2, and one more possibility or one more possibility plus, so they may be both are yellows, right? So it is 5C2 chances. Okay, yes, read the question clearly and we can get that easily. Okay, yes, and one of the different question, let us see. A bag contains 4 reds, 3 blacks and 5 whites. Totally 5 plus 8, 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 4, 12. Okay, yes, of those 12 balls, you are going to draw that 2 balls, no, not 2 balls, just read the question clearly. Probability of 2 balls of the same color and one is a different color. That means we are selected the 3 balls from that bag, 3 bags. Okay, and 3 balls. Yes, of those 3 balls, 2 balls are same color. 2 balls are same color and one is a different color. Okay, not, but same color. Which color? 2 balls are same color, but which color? It may be red or it may be black or it may be white. So okay, there are some possibilities are there. Yes, so please focus on that possibilities. Yes, now I am going to take this one. Suppose if reds are 2 balls, I mean it may be different ball, is may be black or it may be white, or that same color balls are maybe black color balls. Okay, and the remaining one ball is the, it may be red or it may be white, like this. Okay, let us see, I will write clearly. Yes, here I am writing 2 balls are same color. Suppose if they are whites, 4C2, if they are whites, if they are reds, 4C2. Okay, then what about the remaining? What about the remaining? It may be black, the remaining ball is the different color ball, it may be black or it may be white. So there are 3 plus 5 chances. Am I right or not? Okay, so here 2 balls of the same color, it is from the red, suppose that. Okay, so 4C2 and the remaining one is the, it may be black or it may be white. Yeah, similarly one more chance, come on. Suppose that 2 color balls of same color are maybe blacks, so it is 3C2. So from this black there may be 2 get. Okay, yes, and what about the remaining one is a different color? Which color? It may be red or it may be white. There are 4 chances and there are 5 chances, right or not? Yes, and one more possibility, 2 balls of the same color, it may be white color. Okay, this is 5C2. Okay, 2 balls and one is the different. Which one? It may be black or it may be red. There are 4 chances and 3 chances, right or not? These are the favorable chances out of totally how many? 12 balls. Out of 12 balls totally, first of all, how many balls are selected? 2 balls of the same color, one is different. Totally 3 balls are selected. So favorable chances are how many? So 4C2 of 3 plus 5, 3C2 of 4 plus 5, like this. So total chances are from those 12 selecting the 3 balls. Okay, so one different question. Read the question clearly, then you will get that easily. Yeah, understand? Yes, one different one. Yes, similarly one more question. A bag contains now 6 red balls and 5 white balls, right? Now 6 red balls and 5 black balls. Okay, total 11. So a ball is drawn randomly, yes, and without replacement, and another ball is drawn. Then what is the probability of that? Both are in black color balls. Both are in black. In the first attempt you are going to get the black and that ball is not replaced, right? And again one more ball is drawn. The next drawn also, second attempt also, you are going to get the black. Both are blacks. Okay, yes, come on. Coming to the first attempt. In the first attempt there are 11C1 chances are there. 11 chances. Totally in a bag, total 11 balls are there. Of those 11, you are going to select the any one ball. 11 chances. Yes, in the first attempt, which ball? Black color ball. Okay, there are 5 chances. 5C1. Right. This will be the probability of the first attempt. Okay, yes, coming to the second attempt. Now the ball is not replaced. Now we have only 10 balls, right or not? From the 10 balls and again select one more ball, right? 10 balls, yes, and again you are going to get the one more black. Now how many blacks are there? Actually 5 blacks are there, one ball already it came. Now we have only 4 balls, right or not? So from the 4 you are going to get one more thing. Why? Because the second ball also red. Yes, these are all the chances. So your answer is the, so 5 by 11 is 4 by 10. Okay, yes, which is simply 2 by 11 chances, right or not? Very simple concept selecting the balls, but read the question clearly, which ball is selecting. Okay, they are asking about which color, right or not? So focusing on that, the problem clearly, read the question clearly. Okay, then you will get the problem. And some different problems from the conditional probability. So from the conditional probability, let us see some problems from the, for mains and advanced and for MSET. Yeah, here they have given clearly bag 1 contains 3 blacks and 4 whites, and bag 2 contains 4 blacks and 3 white balls. Okay, here they have given that 2 bags, and here for selecting the 2 box, here one condition is given. A die is rolled, and if it shows the 1 or 3, if it shows 1 or 3, then only we are going to selecting the bag 1, otherwise we are going to selecting the bag 2. Okay, yes, then after selecting the any bag, okay, that is based on this condition, after rolling a die, if it shows 1 or 3, then only we are going to selecting the bag 1, otherwise bag 2. Yes, from the selected bag and select a ball. Okay, yes, then finally they ask the question is probability of that the selected ball is the black. Okay, first of all what we are going to do, here 2 bags are there, we are going to selecting the one bag, from that selected bag selecting the ball, then finally what is that the selected ball is a black, right or not? Okay, first of all how to select the bag? So according to this condition, a die is rolled. Okay, so probability of getting that either shows 1 or 3, either die shows 1 or 3, so there are 2 chances out of 6 chances. Am I right or not? Okay, so let us see this event is the probability of E. Probability of E, where die is rolled to get that number is 1 or 3, 2 by 6. Then what is the probability of E complement is 4 by 6, right or not? Yeah, now can I write like this? So when a die is rolled, if it shows 1 or 3, probability of E, okay, then what you are going to do, selecting the bag, first bag, right? From that select a ball, if it is black, then what is the probability of it is black? Now, so now a die is rolled, now it shows 1 or 3, that means its probability is 2 by 6, and from that probability of selecting the black ball, right or not? This is one chance, right? And one more chance. So suppose the die does not shows that 1 or 3, that means there are 4 chances, right or not? That is E complement. In that case, that means we are going to selecting the bag 2. Okay, yes, so from the bag 2 you are going to selecting that, okay, so black ball from the E complement. Yes, come on, what are the chances? This is 2 by 6, and from the black from the bag 1, how many blacks are there? 3 blacks out of 7, plus E complement is 4 by 6, that means we are going to selecting the bag 2, from the black 2 blacks are 4 out of 7. Okay, so it is yeah, like this, it is 6 and 16, 6 and 16, 22. Like this we will get the problem. Conditional probability. Okay, to selecting the bags, they are going to giving the conditions. Okay, first conditional probability means first before going to draw that the ball, okay, no, the before thing is the already one event is happened, that is that selecting the bag, that is our conditional probability. Before going to occurring that one event, already there will be another event is already occurred. Okay, that's about that conditional probability. Okay, yes, and one different question is there, one different question coming to this second question. This is in an over of 6 balls from the cricket. So in a cricket, for every over there are 6 balls, okay, which are bowled by a bowler. Okay, yes, So in a cricket, there are in an over for 6 balls bowled by a bowler, then what is the probability of that? Exactly, he will take the 3 wickets. I mean, in a cricket language, it is called a hat trick. Okay, yes, exactly, he will get the 3 wickets in 3 consecutive balls. Continuously, you will get that 3 wickets in consecutive balls. Of course, it is called a hat trick. Okay, yes, what are the chances of that? Okay, so here I am going to write it clearly. Okay, yes, let us see. Yeah, now here I am going to write this one. Probability of that event is, totally there are chances are 2 power 6. Have you got this one? How it is 2 power 6? So for every ball, for first ball, yes, now he is bowling that. Now for first ball, there is a wicket we can get or not. For second ball, wicket we may get or not, like this. So for every ball, how many chances are there? 2 chances. For second ball, 2 chances. What are the 2 chances means? He may get wicket or not. Okay. For first ball, 2 chances. For second ball, 2 chances, like this. For 6 balls, 2 chances. So 2, 2, 2, 2. This is 2 power 6. The total chances. Why? Because when the bowler is bowled, he may get the wicket or not. Okay. So for like that, for 6 balls, 2 power 6 chances. Right. Now what our problem is? Probability of that, exactly he will get the 3 wickets in 3 consecutive balls. In 3 continuous balls, he is going to getting that wickets. That means what are those 3 consecutive balls? Okay. Yes, it is first ball, second ball and third ball. He may get the wickets. Or else second ball, third ball, fourth ball, third ball, fourth ball, fifth ball, fourth ball, fifth ball and sixth ball. Right or not? So over completed. For over there are 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, first ball, second ball, third ball, continuously will get the wickets. There is 1 chance and here is the 1 chance and here is the 1 chance and here is the 1 chance. Total how many possibilities are there? 4 possibilities. Right or not? Yes. So this is 1 by 2 power 4. That will be the probability. Yes, one different question. Okay. Yes. Now these problems. Okay. Yes, come on. Let us see. Next problems from the Bayes theorem. Okay. Yes. So very important thing from the Bayes theorem. So here they have given that 2 bags. Bag 1 contains 2 red balls, 2 white balls and 3 red balls. Bag 2 contains 4 whites and 5 reds. Right. A ball is drawn from the chosen bag. First of all, you are going to selecting the bag. Like that in the previous problem, there is no condition to select the bag. Okay. Yes, here one ball is drawn, okay, from the chosen bag. That means first we are going to selecting the bag, right or not, without any condition. Okay. Yes, 2 bags only. So probability of selecting the bag 1 is 1 by 2, half of the chance. I mean, of course, we will get the same chance for bag 2 also. Then from the selected bag, find out that to be a red ball. Okay. Yes, what is the probability of that? That red ball where we are going to draw, it is from bag 2 only. Right or not? Yes, that will be the thing. First of all, what you are going to do? Selecting the bag. So what is the probability of B1? B1 is 1 by 2. Okay. Selecting the second bag, it is 1 by 2. Why? Because here there is no condition to selecting the bag, like this our previous problem. One die is rolled to get a so and so number, then only select the bag 1, like this. There is no condition. Okay, right. So that's why there are half of the chances for bag 1 and bag 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now then after selecting the bag, now we are going to pick out the ball. That ball is red ball. Okay. Yes, come on. First of all, what is the probability of getting red ball from bag 1? Bag 1, what are the chances are there to get the red ball? This is 3 chances out of 5 balls. 3 chances out of 5. Right? Then what is the probability of getting red ball? So it is from bag 2. From bag 2. Yes, it is 5 chances out of 9 chances. 9. Total 9 are there. Now, what are the total chances to get the red ball from, it may be from the bag 1 or it may be from the bag 2. Okay. Now, can write like this. So, probability of getting the red ball, It may be from the bag 1 or it may be from the bag 2. Okay, can I write like this? So, first of all, suppose if you are selected the bag 1, then from that bag 1, so red ball chances are 3 by 5. Yes, and suppose if it is from bag 2, first you are going to selecting the bag 2, yes, then after from the bag 2 red ball, it is 5 by 9 chances, right or not? But they asked clearly what is the probability of that, the red ball is, only from bag 2, right or not? From the bag 2 only. Okay, so from the bag 2 these chances are favorable chances. Indirectly they are asking, this is about your base theorem application. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 into 5 by 9. Then after by calculating this we will get the problem, right? And understood the problem? First we are going to selecting the bag and then ball. Okay, so the denominator is the total chances. So if it may be from the bag 1 red ball chances, from the bag 2 selecting the bag 2 red ball chances, but the question is clearly the selected ball is red ball is only from bag 2. So he is asking about the favorable chances of from the bag 2 only. Okay, yes, that is the application of the base theorem. So very important thing, base theorem. Okay, yes, come on, have a look. And one more question which is from the mains question. Okay, yes, one of the different question. Yes, students, so this is the previous JEE mains question from 2018. Okay, yeah, so one different question. A bag contains 4 red balls and 6 black balls. 4 red balls and 6 black balls, and a ball is drawn and observed that this ball color and it would be put into the bag. Along with this ball additionally 2 additional balls of the same color. Please observe this one, the line. A ball is drawn from the bag. A ball is drawn and please observe the color, and after that what you are going to do, that ball is replacing along with this ball additionally 2 balls of the same color. Suppose if you got the red ball, that ball is again you are going to put into the bag additionally with the 2 red color balls. Okay, suppose if it is black, and again you are going to put that bag ball additionally with the 2 black balls, of course whatever it is. Okay, then finally and again a ball is drawn. For that, what is the probability of that? It will be the red. Okay, I think you understood the question. Okay, yes. So first of all, first time the ball is drawn, what we are going to get? It may be red or it may be black. Then after that we are going to put into back into the ball with additionally 2 balls of the same color, right or not? Yes. Now what I am going to do is, suppose the selected ball, first ball is black. Suppose that the first ball is black, then what are the chances are for that one? First ball is black ball, 6 chances out of 10 chances. Am I right or not? 6 chances out of 10 chances. Right. Then after what you are going to do, that selected black ball is we are going to put into the bag additionally 2 balls of the same color, right or not? Now the total number of balls are 12 balls. And how many blacks are there now? How many blacks are there? Now it becomes 8 blacks. Okay, not? Now then after you are going to select the one ball. At that case the second time should be the red ball. Okay. Now the black balls are added, the red balls are as it is, 4 red balls. Okay, these are all the chances, 4 reds, so these are all red balls. Okay, next. Suppose this is the case when the first ball is black. Yes, and one more chance is there. What is that? Suppose if we are drawn that the first ball is red ball, yes, what is that chance? 4 chances out of 10 chances. Am I right? 4 chances out of 10 chances. Then after that red ball is put it back into the bag with additionally 2 red color balls. Now 2 red color balls. Now how many red balls are there? 6 red color balls are there. Now the number of balls are 12. Right? Number of balls are 12. Now how many chances are there to get the second ball is the red ball? Now how many red balls are there? 6 red color balls are there. There are 6 chances. That is the problem, very simple problem. Okay, while reading the question clearly understand that what they have given that. Okay, how many balls are there, what we are going to that, what is the next thing. Yes, totally it is 120 denominator, it is 24 24 40 gate. Okay, yes, so this is the thanks. Okay, this is 2 by 5, 24 2 and 24 5 like this. Yes viewers, so this will be the about that selecting the balls, okay, from a bag, different things. Okay, so from the probability, very important concept for all competitive examination point of view. Okay, I think you like this video, so please share to your friends and your juniors. Okay, and don't forget that to click on that the bell icon to get all my notifications. Okay, yes, and please stay tuned to my channel to get that the upcoming video, that is the very important, very interesting video, that is the problems based on a chessboard problems are there, I think you know this one. Okay, yes, so thank you for watching. Okay, be ready for the next video. Until then, bye bye.